Digital advertising is more complex than ever before, and navigating the digital ad space can be overwhelming for publishers. Evolving ad technology and increased advertiser demands are making it more and more difficult for publishers to manage their own advertising while still finding time to create great content for their users to enjoy. If you're a publisher, chances are you're already familiar with these challenges. And if you're just starting out, organizing your ad stack means managing programmatic deals, maximizing viewability and other ad quality metrics, setting up header bidding, operating ad servers, making sure you have a reliable video player and a data management platform, and having an ad block strategy. The list goes on. So Playwire has established RAMP, Revenue Amplification Managed by Professionals, a turnkey solution that manages every aspect of the ad ecosystem for digital publishers like you. We achieve this through Revenue Intelligence, proprietary technology that combines machine learning with human insight to continually optimize your ad stack. With Revenue Intelligence, RAMP is doing all of the heavy lifting behind the scenes, creating the best advertising environment to maximize revenue. In turn, our analytics dashboards help you to understand revenue implications and give insight into how your ads are performing. This level of optimization would require a tremendous investment of both time and capital from a content owner doing it themselves. But with a portfolio of more than 450 publishers, Playwire has built the infrastructure necessary to reduce these costs, and those savings are passed on to you. Playwire Scale also brings you increased ad demand. Our scope and brand unlock access to curated marketplaces and other gated-off demand sources, and our advertiser partners include the largest and most premium brands. You gain global direct and network sales teams to bring quality campaigns to your audiences anywhere in the world, a team of data scientists and developers working consistently to ensure that our technology stays on the bleeding edge of monetization, and a video production team if you need help bolstering your content. As a publisher-first company, we are always putting our partners at the forefront of our decision-making. While other companies, DSPs, and exchanges are designed to buy your inventory as cheaply as they can get it, we are on your side fighting for the highest rate possible. RAMP is revolutionizing the digital advertising landscape. Sign up today and let us help you maximize your revenue with Revenue Intelligence and run your business more efficiently.